All right, guys, I'm going on a little trip. And yes, you're coming with me. Or you better, okay? So I thought I'd do a little fit check for you, my little travel outfit. Don't mind the spray tan. You can watch about the spray tan. I don't think it's spray tanning that bad, okay? The hands, they're scary, but we're not gonna talk about it, okay? All right, CRZ, like biker shorts, obsessed. If y'all wanna know where my loose skin is, we're flapping in the wind, baby, she's on my legs, okay? And then these cute tie-dye pink sandals, I got them from the Target for $10. I couldn't resist. My little Galveston shirt, I got at Murdoch's, I think it's what it was called, by the Galveston Pier when I was there. Okay, and hair. Yes, she's clean today. Clean extensions today. Can you believe it? Me either. Thank you, Hannah. We love you. But yeah, we're fresh, baby. Now we got to do these nails because they're scary. We'll do them in the car ride. But any guesses where I'm going? We need to make a coffee, though. I got to pick my mom up in 19 minutes. Let's get this coffee made. This literally pains me because I'm about out of this stuff. Caramel macchiato skinny syrup. It's the best, okay? Got my little Buc-ee's cup. I hope I see a Buc-ee's today. I don't know if there's one in the way where I'm going, but if there is one, you know, pulling right over. Okay, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Baby, come on. Just do it for mama. Do it for me. Okay, we got like 4 or 5 pumps in there, and then a couple of caramel. Is this gonna be real sweet? Probably. You know I like sweet. If you don't like that sweet, baby, probably don't put that much in there, okay? All right, I'm gonna get the coffee, then I'll be back. Coffee has been got. Hit the coffee maker. Little Keurig. Salted caramel shake. These are really good, I ain't gonna lie. They're delish. A little whipped cream to make it a party. I got the sauce. Yeah, a little salted caramel, 0 calorie, 0 sugar, skinny sauce on top. Ah, Gorgina. That was a little much, wasn't it? I know. I'm in a good mood today. I'm going away. Gonna have me a good old time. You caught me in a good mood today, baby. All right, let's taste her. Delish. Don't forget measure, always. What else we need to do? I am going to pack my little pretty cup here. I'm gonna like fill me up with some water. Yeah, that's it. That's a fit, you know. We're heading out, and I'll see you on the road or when I get to where I'm going. Love you, bye.